Team T, baby. Hello you guys, how are you doing? How is everybody today? It's another day in paradise. Every day we wake up, it's another day in paradise, another blessing to be here, to be alive, to be healthy. I have a few things that I want to tell you guys. No, I have one thing I want to tell you because I love you all dearly so much, and I've told you a lot of my stories about me before, so I have one thing that I need to tell you, and then we are going to make a better than Chipotle vegan burrito for the gains. Oh yeah. I made one yesterday and I was like, alright, that's it. This is the best burrito I have made. I must show my babies from Team T Baby. You guys have to make this burrito. Like, you have to. Like I'm saying, you really do have to. Now, let me tell you first some exciting news that I got yesterday when I was filming the video for you guys. Yesterday when I was filming the shoe video, and I got interrupted by a phone call, and I told you guys I would let you know what the phone call was. Well, here we are today, and I'm letting you know what it was. So, many of you may have known this, and maybe if you're new to my channel, you don't know that. You don't know this, but I had chronic kidney disease. I had cysts all over a kidney, and my spleen was enlarged, and this all happened in 2014 after I did a bikini competition. Long story short, I've explained that whole story in one of my videos, and oh shoot. So long story short, I've explained that story a couple times in my previous videos, and I talk about certain things that I do now that help my kidneys, being vegan. Anyways, I'll get to the point of the story that I'm trying to tell you guys, but there's just so much to it, and it's like crazy good news for me. So I had one good working kidney, and so I do as much as I can, as healthy as I can for my body, and I do everything the natural way. I can't take supplements, etc., which is why my brand is called Natural Built Bodies, because everything is built from whole foods and water and just all good stuff. Anyway, so last year I was mostly pescatarian, as I told you guys this, and then I took out the fish, and January 1st is when I became vegan. So that was the best thing I possibly could have done for my kidneys, and I have a checkup with my kidney specialist every 6 months or a year. Ever since this happened to me when I got diagnosed with chronic kidney disease. And yesterday I got a phone call from him. I got my phone appointment with him, and he told me that, because I get my blood work done a couple days before our phone appointments, he told me that my kidney has healed back up to past 75%, which is back to a normal kidney function. So I basically healed myself, and I was like, how is this possible? So we were talking, and it was like, I told him, doctor, I've been vegan since January 1st. Do you think that has something to play with into? And he was like, what? He's like, oh my god, yes. Like, that's the best thing you could have done for yourself. A plant-based diet is the best thing for your insides, your organs, your kidneys, and everything. And you guys, I must say, I'm so excited and so happy that, like, I literally healed myself through food. Like I tell you all the time, food is medicine. Food is medicine. Like, you guys don't need to shove these nasty pills down you to make you feel better. You can heal yourself through all the amazing food that God created for us. First of all, that's what we're here for. We weren't born to take all these pills and all these other crap into your body. But that's just my opinion. But I'm an example right here that I had chronic kidney disease. I've been vegan since January 1st, which it's now almost June. Almost half the year, and I got my kidney back was from 25%. It was like a dead kidney, back up to past 75%, and now they're functioning normal. I didn't even know that was possible. I didn't even know that could happen. My mom was like tripping out. We were all like, what the, like, my mom got so emotional, and it was the cutest thing. But You guys, food is fuel. Just remember that. Like, food is fuel and it's medicine. Like, I didn't know that was possible and that could happen, but I'm just so excited, and it's a really cool story to share for people who are thinking about going vegan or who want to try being, you know, at least try it for a week. Like, just give it a try, because there's nothing better for your body internally and externally than plant-based foods. Like, and it's not boring. You guys see what I cook, and I'm gonna do another recipe right now with this banging burrito. But I just wanted to let you guys know that, because that was something to me that's like even more surprising and cool, that, like, you know, things that I didn't realize that I used to not even eat, like kidney beans. Those are good for your kidneys, obviously, and like I used to never eat those, and ever since I've been vegan, I've been incorporating them into my diet, and I'm sure that's helping. And just everything I'm doing, I guess, you know, my kidneys were thanking me. So now apparently it's back up to, you know, past 75%. I'm just like, what the? I did not know I could literally heal myself like that, though, through food. So that was a big, exciting news. And I don't want to go too in depth with the story, because I don't want to keep blabbing. As you could tell, I've had my Japanese crack today already, my matcha. But yeah, so anyways, go vegan, guys. Try it for a week and let me know how you like it. Let's make this better than Chipotle Vegan's burrito. I am using a gluten-free tortilla because I am gluten-free, because wheat and white does hurt my stomach. But you can use whatever tortilla you like. I don't really want to put rice in it today, because yesterday I made this without rice, and I did the tofu crumble as like the what's it called, like the egg. I mean, it was like more of like a breakfast burrito, so I put more of that and it fills it up, so you don't really need like the rice, because then I add beans and I add a bunch of stuff, you'll see. But it's so freaking good, so you have to try it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here I have my tofu, and I crumbled it up with my fingers, and then I'm adding in some seasonings first. So I did smoked paprika, and I added in some onion, salt, and then I will also mix in my aminos, well, first the nooch. This is nutritional yeast, which is like vegan crack, literally. It tastes like cheese. And then this is my aminos. So I have my coconut aminos and my regular aminos. These are really good for replacement as like soy sauce, so it gives it that salty flavor. And then we're gonna add this into our veggie mix, but first you always gotta taste it, make sure it tastes good. So today I decided to put broccoli as well inside the burrito, so I had to chop it up, because then it would have been way too big to fit inside my burrito. And then put some carrots, as you can see. First, you want to heat your pan and put your onions first, and get their onions nice and grilled. So that is the key, to saute the onions first. And then you'll add your hard veggies like the broccoli, the carrots, and whatever else you're putting in there, and season it with more onion salt. Onion salt, and then add your tofu. And this is where you want to make the magic happen and flavor it up, because that bad boy's going inside your burrito. So you need to make sure it has flavor. Then I added some spinach in there, and that will just dissolve within a second, because you'll know you add spinach and it just disappears. And then I also put some cilantro. Ooh, you like that? And then I added some more seasonings, I believe. And then we also added in some black beans. Today I did black beans, but you could use any kind of beans that you like. So just get everything like all sauteed before you stuff the burrito. And my black beans are coming soon to theaters. Oh, here they come. Ready? Now we added the black beans. So this is why I told you guys I didn't want rice, because I think that would have been just too filling. And then a little bit more seasoning and stir it up. And then these are the tortillas that I'm using. I got these from Sprouts, and oh my gosh, they're so good. So you can heat it up on the pan or the microwave if you want, just for about 20 seconds. But They're seriously like so good, and they're gluten free like I was telling you guys. So that good for you shit. So stuff your burrito. As you can see, I am the burrito master. Oh, I also added a little bit more spinach in there, and then avocado, of course. You can never forget your avocado, ever, ever, ever. And then some more nooch. But you guys, my rolling skills are A1. I literally could have my own burrito shop, but let's just watch this. Yep, look at that. Nice, firm, tight burrito. So don't say anything about my pan because it's supposed to be like this. But you spray your spray, and you basically press it down like a panini press each side, and look at that. Oh my gosh. So all I did was spray it, and there's the leftovers I have on the side. You just spray it, press, and then you flip it once you could kind of see it starts to turn like golden. And I'm adding some more jalapeno hot sauce, jalapeno, and then some more nooch on top. And this thing was so good. I couldn't even do the taste test in front of you guys because I just want to go eat. I was so hungry. But I mean, I showed you the taste test, but it's just so good that I don't have words. Like sometimes I have words, but this one I really didn't have any words to say. It's just so good. You just need to try it. Alright? Okay. I love you all so much, and thank you for watching. Have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm out.